natural health for beginners.
Learn how to make pomegranate powder at home in this easy step-by-step guide. Pomegranate powder is a versatile ingredient loaded with nutrients, perfect for enhancing smoothies, desserts, and skincare recipes. Ingredients needed: fresh pomegranates. Quantity can vary depending on desired yield. Tools required: a knife and cutting board for deseeding, blender or food processor, dehydrator or oven for drying, fine mesh sieve for refining the powder. Step-by-step process. Step 1. Slice and deseed pomegranates carefully. Step 2. Spread the seeds on a dehydrator tray or baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Step 3. Dry the seeds using a dehydrator at low heat, around 115 degrees Fahrenheit, or an oven on its lowest setting until the seeds are crisp and moisture-free. Step 4. Blend the dried seeds into a fine powder using a blender or food processor. Step 5. Sift the powder through a fine mesh sieve to remove larger particles. Storage tips: store the pomegranate powder in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to preserve its color and flavor. Benefits of pomegranate powder: nutritional boost, rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and dietary fiber. Culinary uses: adds a tangy, fruity flavor to smoothies, yogurt, and desserts. Skincare: known for anti-aging and brightening properties in DIY face masks and scrubs. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY recipes and health tips. Try making this nutrient-packed powder and share your experiences in the comments.